Hello guys, today we'll be doing this beautiful hairstyle. So guys, first of all, you need to pattern your hair and we are going to braid all over the hair. Okay, so I've patterned it and I'm sectioning it the way I want it to come out. This hair, she wants it to be very big. She doesn't want it to be small because we are going to roll it. Remember, if we roll it, it's going to be heavy for her if it's too small. You understand? So this back, I'm doing it just two. So after that, you have to braid your hair. Please, if you are doing knotless braid, because we are doing knotless braid, don't use attachment to start with the hair. Okay, just do it the way I'm doing it here. This way to never cut your hair or your customer hair. You understand? You first start with the hair before you add attachment. Okay, so you can see that is what I'm doing, and I'm just collecting attachments small. You understand? Just be collecting it like that. Don't start with attachment. If you start with attachment, it eventually, when they want to lose the hair, it's going to hurt, as in cut the customer hair. Okay, so and make sure you hide the natural hair the way I'm doing it here. So guys, so I have to braid all over the hair. So as you can see, we have braided all the hair and it's just remaining this one. I just want to show you guys again how I'm doing this. So you start with the hair before you collect attachment. So that is what I am doing here. So as you can see, if you focus on my hand, you understand what I'm doing. Okay, so this is how to do knotless braid. By the time you start with attachment, that will not be knotless braid again. You understand? So guys, that is it. So guys, we have finished braided all of the hair, as you can see. So the next thing to do now is to do the folding. You understand? So we're going to fold this hair to that style, the Fulani hairstyle that is raining now. So that is what we're going to do. As you can see how I'm folding it, you need to fold it the way I'm doing it. Okay, so you can decide to fold everything, okay, or you leave the little at the tips so you can cut it off. You understand? So you can see what I'm doing. So you fold it to the length, desired length that you want. So as for her, she wants it to be here, right where I place it, this front. So after that, you use your needle and thread to tack it. You understand? As you can see what I am doing, you tack it. Make sure you tack it very well so it will not lose. You just have to go from one side to another, until you make sure that the thing is well tacked. Okay guys, so that is what I'm doing. You understand? If you are looking at my hand, you understand what I'm doing. So just tack it well. Okay, tack it well. So guys, that is it. So now we are done with the other side. Now we are moved to this side. I'm doing it over and over again so you guys can understand what I'm doing. Okay, so as you can see what I'm doing, I'm just folding it. All right, I'm folding it round, rolling, just be rolling it. Okay, as if you are rolling tire. So guys, after that, you use your needle to tack it. Make sure you tack it very well, as I said. Okay, so this one that is disturbing me, you can roll it with it, that this excess that you are seeing here. So you roll it, you can roll it with it, or you cut it off. All right, so because at the end of the day, when we finish everything, we're going to cut it off anyway. So after that, you use your scissors to cut the owu and trim the excess away. All right, so you just trim everything. Make sure you trim it and it is neat. All right, as you can see how this hair is, the two of them, that is how you want it at the front. So guys, this hair, you can roll it anyhow you roll it, that you get what you want. You can see how I did this one. So that one that I just roll is going to be at the middle. Okay, so anyhow you want to roll this hair, anyone you are comfortable with, that is what you should do, the one that you are comfortable with. Okay guys, so I'm just rolling like rolling tire. So the hair is not hard, it's not hard at all. Okay guys, so after that you just have to tack. You have to tack it and tack it. Okay, make sure you tack it very well so that it will not loose. All right, so guys, just go and try this. It's not hard at all. You can braid the hair the same day and do it the same day. Okay, so it depends the time that you start, but the rolling part is not easy anyway. So after that you trim it. So it's getting late, we have to come outside the shop. Okay, as you can see now, I say let me show you guys one more last time. So as you can see the way I'm doing it, so just rolling it, rolling. So the rest of the head, she did not want it to be too short because this is my customer, she like long hair well, but I have to beg her to please do this style like this. So I'm done now trimming it. So guys, as you can see how beautiful this hair looks. Oh my god, she loved this hairstyle. My god, this hair is too beautiful and she looks like Fulani. Is she not beautiful guys? Thank you so much for watching this video.